Hello, I am Amelia and I'm going to explain about language acquisition. But first, I'm going to provide you a PPT by share screen this video. I use Zoom for making this video so to share my PPT. Alright, wait. Right, this is the okay, let's start. So language acquisition. This is the mind map of this material. The first is introduction, where we can find the definition of language acquisition. And then there is child language acquisition versus language acquisition. And then we can conclude in the conclusion. What is language acquisition? Come to the definition. So language acquisition is the process by which children or adults learn and understand a language. So, and then this is the different child language acquisition. So the study of how children pick up a language is known as child language acquisition. Children learn to comprehend and eventually employ the language used by their caregivers from a very young age. So language acquisition involves three main areas in, in children. First, language acquisition, which refers to learning your mother tongue. And then the bilingual language acquisition, or learning two native languages. And then the second, language acquisition, such as learning a foreign language or other language than English. This is so in meeting 10, we have learned about child language versus language acquisition, where we find that the contribution of evidence on language learning to the formulation of a theory of grammar is largely contested by linguists. So child language acquisition and language acquisition are two related but different concepts in linguistics. Yeah, so this is the uh, child language acquisition. Child language acquisition refers to the process by which children develop the ability to understand and use language according to four stages. So this is the stages. First is babbling stages. Infants begin by making sounds and experimenting with different combinations of consonant and vowels, such as mama or da, something like that. Or the children start using single words to communicate, often with a specific meaning. For example, mommy, daddy, or me, I want, or and then the two-word stage where children begin combining two words to form simple sentences. I cry, I'm happy. Example, a multi-word stage where children use longer sentences and develop more complex grammar. So, on the other hand, language acquisition refers to the process by which humans develop the ability to understand and use language. So this process can occur at any age, not just in childhood. While child language acquisition is a natural process that occurs in early childhood, the language acquisition can occur at any age and involves the gradual development of linguistic skills through interaction with the language. So the key differences. This is, I define the key differences between child language acquisition and language acquisition. The age. The first is the age. The child acquisition typically occurs during early childhood, like I said before. And then language acquisition can occur at any age. And then the method. children acquire language through natural exposure and interaction. And then the adults often learn a language through formal instruction and intentional effort. Yeah. So we can conclude that understanding the differences and similarities between child language acquisition and language acquisition in general can inform strategies for language learning and teaching. And learnability in language acquisition is about what children do with various techniques, right, that can be used to examine how children acquire particular structures of English. So I've come to the end of my video and thank you for watching. Bye. So next.